Hi, everybody. This is Aaron Taylor, one of your fellow trainees for ATL. I'm about to share with you my plan for the course. Just want to do a quick note. I'm recording this with the Screencastify extension of Google Chrome. It's an awesome little tool. It allows you to just record your voice along with whatever you're doing on the screen. I would highly recommend you check it out if you use Google Chrome. Anyways, this is my tentative plan. I'm not going to go over everything, but I'll show you a couple of the highlights. I want to give you a little bit of context. Basically, our school's plan, which I am new to, is to teach one of the core skills per semester. That means in one semester we do thinking skills, the next one intercultural understanding, and so on. But after this training, I kind of want to do something different. I'd like to do a series of projects like the ones we've seen in the examples. So I will show you a little bit of that in my initial plan for this course. First thing I'll let you know is that if you look at this whole chart on the previous discussion, it's about 120 class days. I'm going to have about 180, so hopefully that builds in time for projects running long and the community and service part, which I don't have totally worked out yet. Anyways, one of the projects I'd like to highlight is the project I want to start with. It's called Are You Ideal? And it's basically a reflective discussion about the expectations we have on students, the stereotypes of this or that kind of student, and how we are perceived kind of based on our habits at school. And I think it'd be a great way to start the school year, just to get them thinking about where they are as a student, where they'd like to be, and so on. And the ultimate goal for that would be for them to do a reflective article for the student newspaper, kind of telling students about our discussions and helping them set some goals for themselves. Like I said, I want to do something different than our plan, so I think this actually includes 3 of the 4 core skills, and you can see I've highlighted here. I have no idea what resources I want to use. I'm just teaching this course for the first time. I'll probably go to the IB guide and some of the examples to steal resources, but it's the middle of the summer. I have a 6-week-old, and I have no idea what resources I'm going to use. If anyone wants to make suggestions, go right ahead. Thanks. I'll move to this project. I'd like to do a unit called You Don't Even Know, and it's about media and social media literacy. Basically, getting them to understand how to read news media, how to use social media, and combine them to figure out how to read the world. The ultimate goal would be an audio podcast about media literacy. That would include, their own research as well as interviews with people. A video documentary about social media, again, their own research and interviews, and then a letter to a local newspaper about a current issue in the community. Obviously, these skills are highlighted here. I think this is perfect for this course. One huge key here would be interviewing real people. While I do think we want to work on, written research and online research, I think talking to people for these projects is really going to broaden these students' perspective on whatever topic we're talking about. Something else I guess I'll point out is a little bit of stealing that I'd like to do. I'm basically going to steal this right from our examples, is this job skills unit. And the goal would be to create a how-to website, either on one or a couple or all of these, to give to other students. Hopefully what you're seeing, if I highlight this assessment tools part, is that I want them to have a goal in their projects that they then have to send to other people. Like, other people have to see it, whether it's the school newspaper or a local political official, or just out on the web. I want their final project to be something that's not just contained within the course. So that kind of combines these two here. Whoops. As far as depth goes, I have no idea really how this is going to work out yet. I do think there's a balance. I do think I have time here, but this is my first go round here. So your guess is as good as mine as to how this is going to go. But like I said, that's kind of a quick overview. I didn't really cover everything. Maybe I'll just tell you one more thing. For our language development portion of the class, we're going to use this program called Duolingo, which has lessons and milestones for these students. They can do this all on their own. I'm basically going to have them track their progress in a Google document, have them share what they've learned either by doing, morning announcements or holiday cards or a food presentation. But I think this is a great resource. Anyways, take a look at this, the rest of this resource in the previous discussion post. I've appreciated everyone's comments so far at the training, and thanks a lot.